name is Heather Miller, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make a short dough, which is more of a crumbly dough rather than a flaky dough like used in pies. The short dough that I'll be demonstrating will be part of a raspberry oatmeal bar. In this case, I'm going to use blackberry. So far, right here, I have a half cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of oats. I'll be adding pre-measured 1 cup of flour, which is all-purpose. Adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. It's going to strengthen the gluten and prevent the CO2 from making these giant bubbles. I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. This is also known as sodium bicarbonate. It's the leavening agent, and it's going to allow for some browning for your dough. I'm going to mix this a little before I add the butter, just so it's evenly mixed. And then I'm going to add 1 stick of butter, which is also a half cup. It has been softened to room temperature for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then you're going to blend this in using a pastry knife so that your hands don't really melt the butter more than what it needs to be. This butter is going to be used to shorten the dough, and you don't want the sulfur bonding. All right. Once you're making crumblies with the dough, you're going to make it into a cornmeal-like texture. And you're going to do this because it's a short dough, which you want the crumbly texture. You don't want the pea-sized dough that you'll use for a longer dough. Once this is completely formed, you are going to press it into a pan and then put some jelly, which in this case I'm going to use blackberry, and then put it in the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes until the top browns. So you're going to put some of this on the bottom, press it in, jelly, and then put some crumblies on the top. And then that's my demonstration for a short